Meet Steve Smith, CEO of clothing retailer Soft Trace. Steve recognizes corporate storytelling as a powerful tool and wants to boost communication within his company by means of storytelling. However, Steve is unsure where to start. So, he asks a trusted mentor, William, to give him some guidance. William says that the success with corporate storytelling starts and finishes with the audience. What does he mean by that? William goes on to explain that Steve first needs to identify the target audience before he can devise a story that will have the desired impact on them and ultimately get a desired response from the audience. William suggests using the dramatic arc for mapping out the story, as this provides a perfect formula for a great story. It will ensure that Steve creates stories with a clear beginning, middle, and end. William has a few more tips for Steve. He says that Steve needs to keep business stories short and to the point, or his audience may lose interest. William suggests that Steve builds stories around his products, clients and employees and weaves in emotions to optimally engage his target audiences. A final tip from William is to build a story bank. Steve is advised to hold on to precious real-life stories that relate to his business. At some point, stories from a bank of ideas could come in very handy. Steve is excited, as he now has more clarity as to how his company can make good use of corporate storytelling.